Sorry, she actually covers herself up. You'll see your last video, Mila? We'll just attach it to this one. It's the sun!
Yeah, the more on here, the light from the sun. Not the light from the camera with the sun.
I thought it was the sun, Mommy! And the sun is very, very bright.
I'm gonna put the
Oh, he tired you out, didn't they, boo? And she's the one singing. She got hiccups.
No.
He needs to stay warm. She's still wearing a shirt. Molly, she's making a really huge mess.
Yeah, because you made me shake. I'm still wearing control.
She's taking a video of random things. This is all going on YouTube. It's the sun!
Mama, I don't have to see you.
She's gonna make her entrance. And yet it has pins. Why does everything you wear have pins in it?
That's just how Mama.
Oh, there you go with the pins again. Oh, look at him, he's like down. He's so tired. You tired? Yeah. Are you tired, boo? Are you tired? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
This is Africa.
She thinks the tennis racket is a guitar.
They didn't see that.
Yeah, so I just gotta state it.
Why? Because they're blind like you.
Oh my God, where'd he go? He was just here. Look, he was just here. I didn't even hear him go up the stairs. Oh, there he is. Hi, kid. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. Wait. There we go. There he is. Woo! Get attention. Oh, man.
I made sure they had to keep looking at them.